This is scary as fuck. And it's broken. Alright, we just broke 2 clips. Not bad at all. They are 13 years old, so I guess it's okay. I hope I have some spare clips. So much dirt, bro. Okay, it looks like that we broke something more than just clips. And it really sucks. Maybe I can glue it. Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to fix my side skirts of my 350Z because last time as I removed them I broke some of these clip holders and now I glue them back on. Let's go. To fix the clip holders I use HG power glue. I put a link in the video description below. The clip holders on the rear are completely off and on the front side they are coming loose, so I glue them as well. But first I clean the side skirts very well with silicone remover and then I sand down the attachment surface so the glue got better adhesion. Okay, now it is the primer. Okay, the primer needs to draw in a few minutes. In the meantime, I do the other clip holders. Okay, same goes for the other side. Make sure that the holder is in the right position. I mocked it up with blue tape, then put on the granulat and on top of the granulat the glue. Alright, side skirts are fixed. It's a pretty strong connection, but still flexible. Same on the front side. Strong connection, but still flexible. So now it's time to put them back on the car. We're almost done. Before I put on the wheel, I show you my custom-made 3D printed clip, so I can screw the side skirt from the back side. Oh, I don't know if the camera fits in there. Okay. I made a custom-made clip with a thread, so I can screw the side skirt from the back side here. And now the fun part begins. Or should I say, the stupid part?